Back to Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and I'm Pooja, and today I'm going to take you someplace else which is like heaven on earth, and that is Hawaii. And this recipe which I'm going to share with you is from Hawaii, and it's very close to my heart. It brings back good memories when I visited Hawaii, and it has all the flavors of the tropical country or the climate, and that's pineapple and coconut, and the most important of all is the LILIKOI. So this is Hawaiian waffles with LILIKOI syrup. Now the LILIKOI syrup I make on my own. It is made of the LILIKOI, that is the passion fruit, pulp and sugar and water. I'll give you the recipe in the description. And if you don't get LILIKOI, then you can always use any kind of tropical syrup like guava syrup or maybe pineapple syrup. And if you don't have anything, just eat it with maple syrup. So let me show you how. We'll start with the dry ingredients first. So to make 8 waffles, we are using 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then we are going to add 1 teaspoonful of baking powder and half a tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoonful of salt and 1/4 teaspoonful of baking soda. So we'll just mix everything together. Now with the egg whites. So I have here 2 egg whites. So make sure the egg whites are at room temperature, then it beats with the high peaks. So we're going to beat it till it has like soft peaks. So you can see the egg whites are done, and we'll keep aside. And now with the wet ingredients. So first we'll start with 1 cup of sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can use plain Greek yogurt. And to that we are going to add about half a cup of coconut milk. Make sure it's coconut milk, not coconut cream. And then we are going to add 3/4 cup of crushed pineapple. I'm using a canned pineapple. Drain the liquid a little bit. If you want, you can always use fresh coconut pineapple too. And then I'm using 1 egg yolk, and then we are adding 5 tablespoons of melted butter which has been cooled. Now we are going to mix everything together. So I'm using a hand beater to do that. So everything is mixed. Just wipe out the bowl. And then we are going to add the dry ingredients. So we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and then mix it together. Now in this we are going to slowly fold in the beaten egg whites. Just fold and cut, fold and mix. Now with the rest of the egg white, same method, just fold and mix, fold and mix. So we have mixed in all the egg whites here, and now we'll show you how to put it in the waffle iron. So my waffle iron has been heating. I'm just brushing it with some oil, and we'll close the lid and let it sit whenever it's ready. So it's ready now. Now we're going to put the batter in there. Just spread it with the help of a spatula. Don't overfill it because then it's going to spill out. So the waffle is almost done. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Look, let me take it out on a plate. The golden crisp color. And so I have cut the waffles into 4 pieces. So now I'm going to show you how to plate it. So I have some pineapples, fresh cut pineapples here, and some raspberries. You can decorate it whatever way. So I'm going to put some orchids and flowers here. And then I have whipped cream here. I'll put a dollop on each waffle, just like that. And this is the LILIKOI syrup that I made. This is with passion fruit pulp and sugar and water. So I'll have the recipe in the description box below. And if you don't have, as I said, you can always use guava syrup or pineapple syrup. So just a drizzle on top. This is so flavorful and so fragrant. You'll love it. It's very refreshing. So we'll just put some mint on top of the whipped creams. And here it is. Perfect breakfast, Hawaiian breakfast of golden waffles with the pineapples and coconut and the LILIKOI syrup. Here it is. Your perfect breakfast, Hawaiian breakfast. And if you want to add some sausages or ham or eggs and make it a brunch, Sunday brunch with a little bit of LILIKOI juice or a champagne, and you're going to love it. So I'm sure you're going to make it soon, probably this Sunday. And please do subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. And don't forget to push the bell icon for notifications whenever I post a new video. And keep on watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.